The Akko Tac75 presents itself as a specialized peripheral designed for the discerning gamer. As a 75% magnetic switch keyboard, it positions itself firmly within the high-performance gaming segment, emphasizing features crucial for competitive play and offering a dedicated solution for esports enthusiasts. At its core, this keyboard features magnetic switches, which are foundational to its claim of rapid trigger 0.005mm functionality. This precision suggests an exceptional level of responsiveness and allows for extremely quick and accurate input registration, critical in fast-paced gaming scenarios. The 75% layout offers a compact footprint, optimizing desk space for wider mouse movements, a common preference among serious gamers. Furthermore, the inclusion of 8K RGB lighting points to a vibrant and highly customizable visual experience, while its wired connection underscores a commitment to stable, uninterrupted performance. For competitive gaming, particularly in esports, the Akko Tac75's capabilities are directly applicable. The rapid trigger mechanism, with its implied 0.005mm sensitivity, provides a distinct advantage in scenarios demanding instantaneous reactions and precise control over in-game movements. This makes it a compelling option for titles where every millisecond and every subtle input matters. Its designation as a custom keyboard further suggests adaptability to individual player preferences, an important aspect for professional gamers tailoring their setup. In terms of design, the 75% form factor prioritizes functionality for gaming, offering a balance between essential keys and a reduced footprint that clears space for mouse movement. The wired connection inherently contributes to reliability, eliminating potential wireless latency or battery concerns during critical moments. The custom keyboard aspect implies a user-centric design philosophy, potentially allowing for tailored experiences that enhance a player's interaction. Visually, the 8K RGB lighting system offers extensive aesthetic customization, allowing users to personalize their setup. Overall, the Akko Tac75 appears to be a purpose-built instrument for competitive gaming. Its